What's going on, guys? It's early in the morning, and we're getting into a trade. I'm sorry, we're on MES. We should be on ES. All right, we're up 312. It's going down to $500 already. Take profit is 1,500. I think I'm just gonna look to get down to this wick that we left behind here. The 200 EMA for the 1 minute is right here, so about $3 higher. But we're in the current trend for 4 a.m. 4 a.m. starts right here. What's this? Is this ES? Let's refresh that. Yeah, so the trend for 4 a.m. starts right here off of that rejection there. I'm just above that. I actually should have locked in the $300, which I will do this time. Let's close this. Let's go to the 300 and whatever this is. And we'll look to lock that in first. And there's a reason for that, is because we hit the low and we're damn near at my demand zone. So let's show you SPY real quick and show you what's happening. We fell to fill the gap, right? So we're at 590. We're exactly where we need to be to fill the gap right there. And we're heading for this area right here. I'd like to see us get down there now, break this 14 cent and go to like 590, 589.90, 589.80. That'll give me like $1,000 or whatever. We're going to lock in. Every 500 helps. So we're going to lock in 500 for sure. But there we go. So we're at the $500 mark. I hate when that happens. Like when you click over here, it goes off. If we could just get the cool 1,500, that'd be dope too. But we'll lock in the 500. And whatever this is, that'll be 625. Like I said, we're just looking to take this wick here. This wick would give us just about $1,000. So that's why I don't want to lock in too early, but I also don't want to miss out on profit. The time now is we need to break this 590 and go for 589. What you call it? 589.90, 589.80. That'll give us what we're looking for. So this is 750. Okay, we just broke 750. Having a hard time with that, so we may lock this in. We want to see it go to $1,000. I don't want to lock in too soon, but I don't want to lose the 750 either. There we go. There's 88. All right, so that's about almost $1,000. Locking in right here. Ooh, hard rejection at that. So now we know that that's a pretty strong level. So we're gonna lock in that $800 for sure. But we didn't quite make it down there, so we could go back down again. But we do definitely want to lock it in right here. Don't want that to go all the way back up and miss out on that cool $800. So we're gonna lock in the 750 for sure, real quick. Like I said, we want to see this go down to 80 cent. It went down to 88 cent, which is a good start. And we've been all the way down here. I do hate that when you click over. I need to look at this screen or whatever, but I hate that when you click on it, it automatically goes away. That was a strong bounce off of that $800 that we saw for like a split second. But we're still in the trend, like I said, and we're still trying to take over the entirety of this wick with the body of a candle. But this rejection sucks. Going up $800 in several seconds. I hate when that happens so much. But we'll get back down there, and if we get back down there, we might actually break this level here and run a little bit lower. But that was a hell of a bounce. Hell of a bounce. And fast. Just trying to lock it in, of course, but when you click on a different screen that's not the exact same type of screen that you're on, it resets your buy stop and everything back to its original position if you haven't already locked in. So that kind of sucks that we missed out on locking in the $800, but we should get it back fairly easily, actually. Like I was saying, that's just 589.80. We've been all the way down to 589 flat, which is basically the top of this. We've been to 589.24, 589 flat, the top of this support right here. Trying to get back down into this gap. Go on and flesh on back out so I can lock in my profit. We need another $1.50 in our favor. Question is, do we take half of what we've seen and go off of that? Like I said, we hadn't quite hit 593, 59.37, 75. Let's close this for a quick second. Put this here. That's what we want. This is where we're trying to go. This is where we need to get to. What time is it? It's 4:19. So if we can ride for 4:30, we make it all the way to 4:30, we should get back down here. But this thing could also just go back up to the 200 EMA. So we're going to just snag profit. That's so annoying. I hate when that happens. You hit a support, it bounces up really aggressively, so you can't even catch the profit. And then you're pretty much just waiting for it to go back down. And it's such a waste of like 10 minutes of our time. All right, so we have 1 minute, then we're closing this down no matter what. 45 seconds left to go. $23 seconds, guys. 23 seconds. All right. They're giving us nothing. We're going to end up taking nothing. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4:30. It opens up. There we go. We broke it. There's $500. Let's go down there and get 8 real fast. Now we will lock in the 5 for sure. We want to see the 8. But 8 is only $300 off of where we're at right now, so we're not tripping. Hey, $500 is better than nothing. If we can't break this level, it's going once, going twice, going 3 times. I'm holding down the click. I'm holding it down in 3, 2, 1. We're just gonna take the 500, guys. We're not gonna play with it. If that's the level that he wants to go to and sit, hey, to hell with it. We'll take $500. We saw 8. It's not giving us any more. It's all good. Of course, it breaks out the seconds after we click. It is what it is. We'll catch another trade later on.